Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create your own supplies inventory using Excel. Just a simple inventory. Okay, right here I have my supplies on my first column, and on the second column I have the number of stocks and remarks if it is available or out of stock on the third column. So simple lang, gagawin natin ang formula para pag 0 out of stock na, and pag number naman 1, 2 or may stock pa yung supplies na available is magre-reflect dito yung available. So just follow this steps or formula I'm going to make. Just press equal sign, then if, open parenthesis, then not, open parenthesis again, and click this cell here. Okay, then equal sign to 0, then close parenthesis, comma, and quotation mark, then available, quotation, comma, quotation, out of stock, quotation, and close parenthesis. Just hit enter. Okay, so kita nyo yan pag number 1, may 1 kasi dito, so meaning available pa yung supplies. But if gagawin ko yung 0, that will turn into out of stock. Okay, diba? Amazing. So just click this one, Control E on your keyboard. Okay, Control E, then double click this, itong may plus corner yan, hold your keys, Control E, then double click this one. Okay, yan, pupunta yan sa baba, automatic na yan. So lalagyan lang ng 1, for example 10, available. So pag 0 yan, okay, 0, 0, 0, all of that, magre-result yan ng out of stock. Pero pag meron laman, any numbers will give you their marks of available. Yan. Okay, may na-skip. Sign pin, 5. Alright. So where the spot, I put it 0. Okay, then out of stock. Okay? Okay, ganyan lang. I hope nakatulong ng video na to sa inyo para makagawa kayo ng sarili nyong inventory using Excel. And if that's so, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you on the next video.